Microsoft has a new Surface tablet, the Surface Go, and this small tablet poses some big questions. Yes, it can handle most everyday tasks, even though it only has an Intel Pentium processor, but no, it's probably not going to be your all-day, everyday computer. Yes, it's a lot less expensive than the bigger Surface Pro, starting at $399. But no, it's not going to save you a ton of money in the long run. To get the most out of the Surface Go, you need the keyboard cover and stylus pen, which adds up to more than $200 extra. Despite not being the bargain Surface you might have hoped for, it's hard not to like this little 2-in-1 Windows hybrid. The best parts of the Surface experience, the excellent kickstand, the best-in-class keyboard cover, the great stylus support, are all here, just in slightly miniaturized form. Although I wish they had miniaturized the screen bezel as well, the 10-inch screen kind of gets lost in its thick border. Still, as much as I like the Surface Go, the fact that the must-have keyboard adds a 25% premium to the price spurns me. For a basic PC to toss in your bag for entertainment, social media, or light productivity, if they threw the keyboard cover in with it, I'd be all in.